M4? M4 CS.
Oh, yeah.
All right, guys, let's remote start it. Woo! Sheesh. So yeah, it's much better. Steering wheel is literally dead center now. Feels great. Florida drivers, ridiculous. All right, fam, what's good? Welcome back to Unlockable Character. Got the iPad with me, you know what I'm saying? We are in the Chevron car wash, touchless, in Boca Raton. Super sick location, not gonna lie. Gonna get a quick drive back. Big shout out to Stefan, the owner of STP. He adjusted the SPL bump steer adjustable outer tie rods on the car, centered the steering wheel. The alignment is butter right now, guys, butter, okay? One thing before I start is I know I shoulder the responsibility for many young men that look up to me, and I take that with me wherever I go. And after spending so much time in Atlanta, I spent 6 years in Atlanta before moving to Southern Florida. I learned, especially in the automotive world, you have to move differently, because if you want to be treated like family, you have to find establishments that treat their employees well, that have a good environment, and you have to know how to move when you approach that establishment, or before you even move down, you have to know who to reach out to try to get a feel for things. Because if you have a nice car, you move to a new place, you're the new guy on the block, you will be taken advantage of, you know what I mean? And I might have maybe a reputation now that precedes me, I don't know, but I don't try to rely on that, you know what I mean? I bring the best version of myself to the people I meet so that they understand that I'm on a different wavelength in terms of, you know, just character. And with that, there's a great connection that gets built with people that I can trust, respect, and then you know what happens? It's like having a family relationship where, you know, these people can become good friends of yours and you can learn so much from them. Most of these business owners are older, the ones that do business well, that have been in business for a while. So take that advice, guys. You can learn so much. Just remember, when you're the new kid on the block, don't try to show out, but show your character in a way that helps build relationships like family. And that will just bring the right energy around you, okay? So quick advice on that. All right then, let's go, guys. Gotta get out of here. I went the wrong way for sure. It's funny. So when you get these SPL arms front and rear, you know, it's gonna be super more rigid. At low speed, guys, you have to know what you're getting into. It's gonna be NVH, noise, vibration, and harshness. And if you have never had like a track car, if you've never driven even like a GT3 or a GT3 RS, there's an element, right, of just like rigidity, stiffness, and also feedback. So the M4 CS, one thing that's incredible about it is the feedback that you get from the steering wheel. There is so much coming through the steering wheel that it's absolutely crazy. And after you install camber arms and control arms, what happens is the steering wheel feels like each corner, each wheel is grabbing the pavement and it's giving you information back. That's what it feels. And before we fully adjusted the bump steer adjustable outer tie rods from SPL, there was a lot more rebound and the bumps were way harsher. Now that we've centered the steering wheel and have adjusted the bump steer adjustability of the outer tie rod, it is literally butter. It's still rigid, but you know, where I was having issues before, it's mostly solved, I would say. And the fact that it's not completely solved is down to just the fact of the rigidity, the extra rigidity that's come from the suspension. So I'll pop this back on when we get on the highway, guys. There's a sick Blackwing right there. That's crazy. It looks good. Damn! That looks really good. White is so classy. That car is like when you're 40 and you've already had a G80, now you get the Blackwing, you know what I mean? Maybe manual. Such a sick car, honestly, such a sick car. guys can hear the exhaust. Woo-hoo-hoo. Sounds excellent. What do you guys think I should do for the LED interior lighting or the ambient lighting? It's on white. I feel like we should do like bronze or maybe even red. I feel like red would be hard. Let's see how we, whew, not bad. Handling railroad tracks with a full SPL suspension, guys. Let's do first gear, come on. Sounds excellent. And the turns, guys, that's why you get suspension. You can take a turn in this thing, I swear, at 100. Just grips the corner. Like I said, each corner feels like it has 5 fingertips of the car, and now it's grabbing on and holding nicely. Window's gonna be a little bit wet. Nice. Remember, the car is wet, so I'm not trying to lose traction right now. But now you guys are getting a sense for the exhaust for sure. Bikers, huh? Shout out to everyone out there that's doing content on 2 wheels, on 4 wheels. I mean, you're trying to make it, you know what I mean? Be authentic. Don't play into everyone else in terms of what they're doing. Try to put your own spin on it, right? Mine is the wisdom, the events, the people that I'm around. Like, I can experience that, record it, and show you that. So as you're going through your journey, remember, just try to film and talk to the camera. Your personality is important, and you don't have to be fake. You don't have to be someone else. Be yourself. And then it becomes so much easier to talk to the camera. There's no need for a script, you know? And then people will look up to you to see how you've done it. You know what I'm saying? And then you can help and inspire like the next generation. Look, the G80, G82 has been out for a long time, right? Since people had them in 2021. I had my first one in the beginning of 2022. And the CS is like icing on the cake, but like the G80 for me, like, I get it. I really understand the platform. I'm obviously gonna keep adjusting this car to be the best CS possible and bring it to track days, but I wanna grow, right? Then for me now, like having these peak cars and then modifying them in the most class way is like my expression of joy, my expression of like passion, automotive passion. And then to record that journey and share it with you is just incredible. It's honestly incredible. So yeah, it's much better. Steering wheel is literally dead center now, feels great. Florida drivers, ridiculous. Have some ASMR of the car, sounding brilliant. Fourth gear, huh? Woo! And I'm not even accelerating that much. What a beautiful car. It feels so good, guys. It's butter right now. It's literally hugging the turn. Look at this. Look at that. It's amazing. Butter. Let's get under the bridge real quick. That sounded excellent. And because it's not tuned, we don't get to 120 miles an hour in like 3 seconds, you feel me? Less than, I swear to God, a 900 horsepower M4 CS is gonna rip, right? Absolutely rip. We'll get there. We'll get there, guys. But for right now, this is such a beautiful car. Look, no check engine light, full bolts on. And who does the SPL parts, right? That's part of growing up. Before, on other platforms, I would do two-piece rotors, you know what I mean? Get the brakes with the stainless steel lines, really adjust the brakes and the suspension of the car, as well as the power adders, like the exhaust, the intake, possibly turbos. But don't forget about the brakes and suspension, guys. It's all about balance. If you go too far with performance in one way, your car is not going to be balanced. Now, there are extremes like drag racing. You're gonna want a car built for drag racing. So you're not gonna take a drag racing car and then go to the circuit and do time attack, okay? Completely different builds. But you can have an all-around, this is the crazy thing about the G80 platform. You can have an all-around best of drag racing, street racing, just everyday daily driver, and it's minimal changes for setups. It's like running a different wheel and tire in the back and changing a few, you know, adjustments on your tune when you go to the drag race. It's changing a little bit of the suspension, again, tires when you want to go to the circuit and do time attack. When you're on the street, again, just different tires. It's crazy. You can go from -2 camber in the front, -2.3 in the rear when you're on the street, to -2.5 to -2.7 in the rear on the track. Perfect, you know what I mean? This car is the, for me, peak pinnacle gasoline engine car that came out that does pretty much everything before we go full electric, okay? At the price point, the M4 CS, the limited production availability, the ability for the platform to generate and hold and maintain 900 horsepower without really upgrading anything. I'm talking about crank horsepower in terms of you don't need to upgrade the internals of the engine or build the transmission. I just name another production car that you can go from 500 to 900 horsepower and just drive all day and then do anything with it, drag race, drift. We didn't even talk about drifting. You can go into two-wheel drive in this car, right? Porsche can't do that. And that's the mic drop, you know what I'm saying? Porsche can't go all-wheel drive to two-wheel drive. Although, there's nothing like a GT3, and that's gonna remain true. Yeah, it handles so much better. It's literally butter. The next thing I'll probably do is adjust the ride height, do a corner balance with me in the car. This is when you start to really get ready for a track day. And also look at the caster. So the caster is how far forward the wheel is when you look at where the wheel is sitting, like the wheel and tire. So if it's more forward, it has more forward caster. And I want everything to be pretty even. I don't want them to be too forward. So that's something I'm gonna have to look at. But hopefully you guys enjoyed today's quick video. Let's do another quick rip before we go. Little Charger came in. I was gonna do a rip there, but then this Altima came in front of us, guys. Alright, this car's retarded. But hopefully you guys can get a sense from what it sounds like. It sounds so good, you know? I'm honestly, like, I hold back how much I'm like smiling inside, you know? Like, trust me guys, this is still crazy for me to have an M4 CS South Florida full bolt-on, track ready, and just, you know, have an AI startup, to be a senior director of AI, to fucking have a YouTube doing this. Like, I look back a year and a half from now, from here, right? A year and a half ago, I didn't have like half the things I have going for me now, and it just was consistency, building the right relationships. YouTube introduced me to so many good people, and I'm so thankful. Earth, if you're out there, bro, love you. Jacob, love you. Armin, bro, I'm telling you, the people you meet along the way, safe, they will become business partners, they will become best friends. Like I said before with my advice, just learn how to move a little bit differently and put out good energy, and the universe will just start to help you meet people on that same energy and frequency, because like attracts like, and there is an element of order to the chaos that we see as the universe, you know what I mean? And you do have control with your consciousness on a certain element of the matter that you know, perceive and exist in, and that's divinity, okay? That's a little bit of what I talked about in my last video, when you're bringing out and breaking past perceived human limits. That's divinity. All right, guys? So, all right, I'm gonna end it there. Great vid. Love you guys. I will catch you soon, hopefully tomorrow, at Orlando for the Euro Drag event with some of the fastest cars in the country. All right, guys, let's go. Hey, man. Zuri? Zuri? I'm Romy, dude. Nice to meet you, dude. This is fucking crazy, man.
I love your car.
Gorgeous, man. What's you have an Instagram or anything?
No, I just got that.
Oh, okay, okay. I'll catch you around, man. It's gorgeous. I have a YouTube. It's called Unlockable Character.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll try to get your car in there, bro. That's amazing.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
All right, I'll get a little rolling shot as you go by. I got the wide angle going on right now.
You want me to punch it?
No, 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 no.
All right, cool.
Take it easy, bro.